for another video, and today I'm playing Roblox. Today, yes, I'm playing Assassin. Next vid I'm gonna play Arsenal, so stay tuned. Please subscribe and turn on notifications and like the video. That would help me much. Thank you. Okay, so this is not BlueStacks, just Roblox app. You can download it on PC, for Android, anything from the iTunes app or anything. So I'm gonna do that match. Woo. Okay, so it's just loading data. I'll come soon. Okay, game. Yay, I got 50 tokens. 81, cause I bought one. No. I bought one. I have 3 legendaries now. How many legendaries for one mythic? I mean exotic. 5 rares equals 5 rares is a legendary. Naki. Oh, cool. Milky Way, Misty Charlie. Misty Charlie. Oof. Misty Charlie. Where is okay? Oh, close. Fart Nugget. Where is he? Why is he not here? Wait. Oof. Not there. Thought he was there. Ooh, close. CSG. Nope. Misty boy. Misty Charlie. Easy win. I mean easy kill. Ooh, CSG. Good job. See, basic. No, I like paintball. Paintball's nice. It's, ooh, kicking the ball. Okay, guys, time's up. We're gonna make another video of Assassin again soon. Next video is Arsenal, so be tuned.